How you doing, Ralphie? Yeah, Ralphie Custom. Well, Ralphie Cottage, actually, because we're at home, aren't we? Might a bit of a trim, undecided. My nearest and dearest, who shall remain out of shot for fear of being camera shy, really wants me to shave it all off. She likes old Ralphie rubber face, which is how I get after a good shave. Anyway, it's not a point of this video. Point of this video is I've missed bits from people who I'm friends with on here. I've missed uploads and bits and bobs. I've gone and checked and I'd actually been unsubscribed. I ain't done it. Matty's the one that alerted me by messaging me. YouTube let you down, mate, he says, and they have. So check. Don't be afraid to run through your subscriptions. If you think that you've not seen a video of someone that you regularly tune into, get on there and make sure that you still subscribe, because there's bugs in the machine, I'm afraid, as there always is. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick one. Check your subs, otherwise you might be missing out. Have a great one. Lots of love to you.